So yesterday, after installing this on my vehicle, it started to leak in on top of my solar generator a little bit. I decided against putting one on top of my vehicle, and I'll give you a couple of reasons why. I got a killer deal on a 200 watt foldable one, which you could fold it in half and it'll fit perfectly into my window. This thing right here, you have to, I wanted to deinstall it anyway every single year because of the winter time. And it's an awesome, solar panel, but I decided to go against it, mainly because I don't want to have to worry about drilling holes or, all that jazz, and then having it, in one place at all the time. It also, you've got efficiency and stuff like that with miles per gallon. I'm not really worried about that too much. But the other one that I ordered is a fold-out one. It's portable, and I'll shoot another video when I get it. But it's 200 watts, so it's got twice the power of this. And then when it rains, I can, bring it inside and put it in my front window. And also, when I'm driving, this will be charging this as I'm driving, which is awesome. So I can hook that up while I'm driving. I do have a shore power unit I'm going to install down here. That's why I didn't go through, if you're wondering why I didn't go through this back hatch all down here, through the tail light, or into my bumper, and then down up into here, is because I want to put an AC shore power in case if I actually do go to a place. I don't have to worry about that like a campsite. It's just basically an electrical cable, nothing serious. So if I get a folding one, what's nice is I can put it in my front window here. Yeah, I know you lose some efficiency, about 40% efficiency when you put it up here, depending on sunlight, of course. So it'll only be folded in half, so it'll be a 100 watt. But then when you have a really nice day and, it's not windy, of course, or whatever, you can set it outside and you'll be getting 200 watts, or probably not that, but probably, let's say 150 watts of power. And it just seems like a better idea to have it portable. Even though I do have to store it, I will store them up here behind that seat, which is perfect, which is a perfect area for storing it. But it's so easy to just grab everything and put it in my garage when winter comes, rather than leaving everything up top to get exposed to the elements and the salt and all that other jazz. So I'm thinking about doing something else with the roof. So I do have another set of crossbars that are coming for this. So, yep, just a thought. I decided to go with a portable. I had a conversation with my good friend who's like, yeah, definitely go with a portable one. That's a better idea. It was only like $200, so why not? And this is charging at about 67 watts, which is great. And it charges fairly efficient. I kind of like it. But yeah, I had it run through this right here, and this right here was dribbling down, when I sprayed it down with the hose. There were a few drops that came in, probably like 8-10 drops, right on my solar generator here. And then it decided to rain yesterday. So there was even, a little bit more that flowed in through here. I know people do this. Some people get leakage, some people don't. There's mixed opinions on it. I really didn't want to drill a hole in my roof because I was afraid of drilling through something or, having it irreversible. If I do have to drill into something, I'll probably have it professionally done. I didn't like it over here either. The reason why I didn't put it here is because I've stated in my other videos, I didn't want to hit this jack on here. And this right here, at least dealing with computers, these are usually what fails. Jacks like these, the power jack and stuff like that becomes loose and they break off. So when I'm not running my vehicle, when I'm not driving it, I obviously won't be able to use my fold-out solar panel, but I'll be able to charge it off of this. And then when I am parked somewhere, I can throw my solar panel in my front window, or on the other side of my window, believe it or not, or I can set them up with the kickstand outside. I have that big swing away tool carrier and all that jazz too, so yeah, I'm not really worried about that, but that's just where I'm at right now. It just seems like a better option than having to go find, the right gaskets and the right like sealant, not gasket, but the rubber surround and stuff like that that'll fit this. Now that other jazz and putting in that setup, this seems like a little bit better. So yeah, well, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think. So yeah, oh, the one I ordered, by the way, is a Pecron. It's the 200 watt fold out one. So you can get them 100 watt, 200 watt, and 300 watt. But I decided to go with a mid-range 200 watt. And what's nice about that, if I upgrade this to another unit or I do something else, you could still use that interchangeably pretty easy. Pecron's got a great name. I love their products. I don't really like their customer service. Actually, I was on their Facebook page. Nobody likes Pecron's customer service. They're really lacking when it comes to that. But they make a great product. So, thank you so much for watching.